Now, I haven't been to here in a few days actually. It's rained, and I mean it's rained so much. To the point where actually the last time I came down here, you could see the bottom of the river. Because of how little it rained, and then it rained for days upon end. Oh, my sausage roll going down my neck slowly. The problem is I've tried eating it and the dogs have kept shitting, so I've just pretty much rammed it down my throat. Because I thought I'd better not eat it, enjoying it. I just ram it down my throat and I can feel a little bit stuck in my throat. Oh dear. It's my day off today. Day off after leaving the cafe. Woohoo! I feel quite tired this morning, as you would expect. There was plenty of people in yesterday, so it was all good. But it was just like, people are gonna die if they don't go in that cafe. And I'm kind of glad I don't have to see that now. It's such a surprise how fast flowing that river is. Because my dogs will have gone in that river and then ran across, going along it. But not today. It's pretty fast flowing. Because it's not stopped raining for such a long time. God, even that. You could see, hey. Lead falling off my neck. I couldn't really come out this morning because there was just a shitload of stuff to do. I was like, I ended up getting up at 8 o'clock. No, sorry dogs, it's me sausage roll I'm trying to eat. Bloody hell. I got up at 8 and I couldn't have my breakfast till 20 past 9 because there was so much to do. God, even here, I want to see what the waterfall bit's like down here. God, how fast that is flowing. My mum was like, don't do too much with the dogs, because the dogs are limping a little bit, so, and to be fair, so am I a little bit. Good lord, look how fast that's going. Bloody hell. I wouldn't go in. I wouldn't be going in. Fucking hell. You know it's fast when water turns white and frothy. You just know then. Oh my god. Look at that. When water's so strong and there's a volume of it falling down onto a surface and it turns white, you know it's really quite strong. You know when you put the hot water on in the bath and you put it on full whack, it creates more white water. It's doing that down there. I was initially thinking of going on a day out today, just a little one, and then getting picked up by either my mum or my dad. I'm not entirely sure. I mean, it is only 10 to 10. So I could start off at 12 o'clock and then go to maybe Home Firth or Meltham. Oh god, that is quite fast flowing. Oh god, leaves keep wanting to fall off. And I'm going to walk up the hill and then go down Saddleworth Road and go back home that way. yeah, doing left trainer 9.5, right trainer size 10 certainly works. And I'm going to wrap up the video because I'm going to go up there with the dogs. I need to get the dogs on the leads. If they're coming. I don't know if they're coming or not. You coming? I'm tired as well, dogs. You can't go in. You can't go in. It's too fast flowing. Too fast flowing. Oh shit. Okay. At least I can go that way. Okay. At least I can go that way. So, oh God, okay. Is that much? You usually get an idea of like how much it's rained by the fast flowing of the water, but also that as well. Yeah, it's completely, the path's completely gone. Yikes. Right, thanks for watching for now. Gonna get the dogs on the lead, go up the hill, down Sodworth Road, back home. Thanks for watching for now, and goodbye.